Welcome back to our R adventure. So far, we've played around with variables, operations, and functions. Now, it's time to get organized. Think of today as decluttering your digital room with R's very own filing system, data structures. Today, we're focusing on two big players, vectors and factors. Let's dive right in. First off, meet vectors. Imagine a single row of labeled jars on a shelf, each containing something specific. That's a vector for you. Vectors in R are like lists, but super organized. Whether it's numbers, text, or logical values, vectors hold them all in a neat line. Open up RStudio and create your first vector. Type numbers, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, the C function stands for combine, bundling all those numbers into our vector named numbers. Now ask R what's inside by typing numbers in the console. Voila! You've got a neat list of numbers staring back at you. But wait, vectors aren't just for numbers. You can store text too. Try names C, Alice, Bob, Charlie. See? R doesn't discriminate. It'll store whatever you throw its way. Now, on to factors. Think of factors as categories or labels, like organizing your music playlist into genres. In R, factors help you categorize your data into specific groups, making analysis a breeze. Let's create a factor. Imagine you have a list of eye colors: blue, brown, green, and hazel. You can turn this into a factor in R. Type I_colors. Factor, C, blue, brown, green, blue, hazel. R will automatically recognize these as unique categories. Oh, and the best part? Factors aren't just for fun. They're super handy for statistical analyses. R knows how to handle factors, making your life a whole lot easier when crunching numbers. All right, my data-savvy friends, that's a deep dive into vectors and factors in R. Take a moment, play around with creating vectors and factors in RStudio, and start organizing your data like a pro. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.